This is easily one of the most underrated product research tools for e-commerce. What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me on the previous videos, as well as all the people that have been subscribing and showing support. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about AliHunter, which is a free Google extension that you can download, and it will allow you to go to your competitor's website, find out what their best-selling products are, and it'll give you suppliers to support those products. You can find out what theme they're using. You can find out so much information. Not only that, but AliHunter has a full website that allows you to go there. It'll tell you the best-selling products by niche. It's updated, I believe, every 24 hours or every hour. I'm not sure, but it's constantly updated. Not only that, but Aliexpress will be basically transformed. You'll get a bunch of different information on Aliexpress that'll tell you like the daily orders. You'll be able to find out what websites are selling that specific product. You'll be able to download all of the customer review images as well as the Aliexpress images with just one click. Guys, this thing is amazing. So make sure you get your notebook out, get your pen, whatever you got. Start taking some notes, because I promise you this video is going to be jam-packed with value. I hope you guys are excited. If you are, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content here on the channel. It also helps the channel grow. And subscribe to the channel, because we drop bangers like this constantly, giving you guys the best information on e-commerce. All right, hopping right into my computer. So first things first, you're gonna have to download it, right? So go ahead and head to Google and type in AliHunter Google Chrome extension. And it should be the first link, I believe. Let's see. Yes, it's this one. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna do that. So you're gonna click this button, download it, and that's all you have to do. So now that you have AliHunter downloaded, you can go ahead and start using all of its great features. So I'm gonna be using it on Aliexpress. This is a home store. If you've been dropshipping for a little bit, you know of this store. They're very popular. Like I said, they sell a bunch of home products. But if you don't have a store that you can go ahead and spy on, you can go to my previous video. I'll try to link it right here. It's a Drop by Spy tutorial. Basically, that platform allows you to look at your competitors' Facebook ads, and you can go ahead and use that platform to find other dropshipping stores. And they have a free option, so you can find a store very easily. So if you look at this bar, it's going to show you a number of different things. The first thing is the shop name, Aliexpress, nothing too crazy there. The next one is theme. This is the exact theme that this Shopify store has, which is RT working on 27th of April. I don't even know what that is, but anyways, you just click on it and it'll bring you to the Shopify store. This is Prestige. You can download it or you can purchase it for $180. I do know of this theme. It's a fantastic theme. So definitely check that out if you want to. The next thing is total products. This store has 402 products on there currently. The next tab is products. You could click on that and it will show you all of their products on their store, all of their best-selling products. You can come to this tab right here and it'll show you in order their best-selling products, which is amazing. It'll tell you how much they're selling that for. It'll tell you when was the last sale. Do keep this with a little bit of grain of salt. For the most part, it is accurate, but like I said, you know, take it with a grain of salt. So you can click on Find Supplier for any product, and it'll bring you to their product page, and then it'll show right here finding suppliers. If it's able to find it, it'll show you. If it doesn't, then you know you're gonna have to do some other things to go ahead and find that product. This one, it wasn't able to find it, but you can go on Aliexpress and type in Moonlight. I promise you, you'll be able to find that product. So let's try another one. Find supplier for this one. It's gonna bring you to the product page. It's gonna go ahead and find the supplier down here in the bottom. Also, couldn't find a supplier for that one either. So I want to show you what it looks like when it does find a supplier. Majority of the time it will find it, but sometimes you won't be able to. So this one right here is a bed set, it looks like, and boom, there you go. So it'll show you it found one supplier. All you have to do is literally just click on it and it'll take you to the Aliexpress link, which is crazy. So yeah, let me go back to this screen. I just spit all over my computer. That's gross. Okay, so you can go to live sales, and it'll show you all the live sales for the different products that they're selling on their store. And this one is apps used. It'll show you a few apps that they use on their store, like Klaviyo, product reviews, and things like that. You can just click on it, Klaviyo, and it'll take you to Shopify App Store, where you can go ahead and download that. It looks like there's no way that this store only has six apps. So I'm guessing it's not going to show you all of them, but you get the point. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Very helpful when you're looking for products. You'll be surprised. This is great for general stores, because they sell so many different products. So you can just go on there and you can find out where the suppliers are and, find out what kind of products are selling, what's not selling on these stores. Very, very, very good to go ahead and do things like that. So next, here is AliExpress. So I'm going to just use the exact same bed set that we just looked at. You're gonna see that there is a number of different changes here. So on the very top, you're gonna see top trending products, which I'm gonna get more into depth after this. But you'll be able to see what the weekly best selling, what today's best selling is, and it'll tell you the orders and everything. So I'm gonna show you an example real quick. I'm just gonna type in pet. If I type in pet, it's going to bring that exact same bar up again, and it's gonna show you what the top trending is for pet or whatever keyword that you use on AliExpress, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go back to, I'm gonna go back to this bed set right here, and as you can see, you have a download button. This download button allows you to download all the customer review images and the AliExpress images, so you don't have to go one by one downloading each and every single image on AliExpress, which I know a lot of you guys do. Other than that, I think those are the only, no, there are analytics here now. So these analytics are a little bit different than just your normal AliExpress. It'll show you the sales volume, it'll show you the price history and all of, different type of information. I really don't use this that much, to be completely honest with you, but it's there nonetheless. Now, you can take advantage of this bottom bar on AliExpress as well. As you can see, there are different things here than when you're on an actual website. So it's going to show you the price, the total price, the reviews. So it'll show you the summary. So you can click on summary. You'll be able to see the graphs again and the analytics. And you can go to reviews. It'll show you all of the reviews. It'll show you the images, which you can go ahead and download. You can come here to similar. It's going to analyze. And once that loads up, it's going to show you a bunch of different suppliers that are also selling this exact product. And it's going to tell you if their prices are lower or higher than this listing. So as you can see, there are a bunch of other listings that are selling something similar or the same product, for a lower product cost, as well as, lower shipping cost. And just because that's the case doesn't mean that these suppliers are better. Make sure you do your research. Just because the price is lower does not mean that the supplier is better. Moving on to Who Sale, which is honestly one of my favorite tabs for AliHunter. It's going to show you all of your competitors that are selling this product from this actual listing. It's not all the competitors that are selling this product. It's only ones that are using this specific listing. So you can go through and see that there are a bunch of different people selling this product. So obviously it might be selling, right? So you can go ahead and click on their websites and you can go ahead and go through and see what your competitors are pricing it at, see what their descriptions are, so that we can get some ideas. I know how I am. I'm not the best copywriter, so me being able to look at other, competitors' websites and being able to formulate my own description, this really helps me, get the juices flowing in my head. So you can go ahead and do that, look through them, and get some inspiration. Don't go and copy people. I'm very against that. Drop shipping is gotten to the point where it's almost insane. People are literally just copying people word for word, and that's kind of annoying, and I don't, I don't condone that at all. And lastly, the supplier tab, which is going to tell you all of the top products for this specific supplier. So it's going to tell you their weekly best selling and a bunch of different information. All right, you guys, so one last thing before I go ahead and let you go. If you guys are still watching this video, I greatly appreciate it. This is AliHunter's website. It's beta.alihunter.io, and they get straight to the point. As you can see, all the products are categorized for you by niche, so you can go ahead and select whatever niche you want. I'm going to choose, my computer's going to die, 1 second. So I'm going to choose jewelry and accessories, which is right here. It's going to bring up all the jewelry products, and you can sort by orders, you can sort by price, and you could just scroll through and choose which product that you want to sell. So say you wanted to sell this product, you can click on it. You'll see the exact same stuff that you'll see on AliExpress, the statistics and everything like that. You can click on view details on AliExpress. It'll take you to the AliExpress link. So guys, this is a crazy powerful tool, and something that you can definitely reference to if you are looking for any winning products. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope I gave you some type of value. If I did, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. That helps the channel grow, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I do want to say this before I go ahead and end the video. I am not affiliated with AliHunter at all. They did not contact me to do this video. I just wanted to do it because I genuinely like the platform. I use their Google extension all the time, and I felt like it would be very useful and helpful to you guys. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all next time.